located over southeastern Warm Springs Reservation, or 13 miles northwest of Madras, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Madras, Marvin, Warm Springs Reservation, Wapanesha, Gateway, Pine Grove, Wymick, South Junction, Warm Springs, Sinashua, and Ty Valley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.